The Hebrew word nasa means to deceive. Yes and no. Like the letter shin in the middle, I don't know if you can see it from where you are, it has a little dot over the right side of the shin. That depending on where that dot is, depends on how you pronounce the word. You got the nun, shin, and aleph right there. When it's over the right side, it's pronounced more like nasha. It's pronounced with a sh sound. When the dot is over the left, it's with a s sound. The first time it appears in our scriptures is in Genesis 3, when the serpent beguiled me. Nasha. Same word, just pronounced slightly different. The second time it shows up is when Cain receives his judgment, and it says it's more than I can bear in Genesis 4:13, and that's when the dot is over the left side. And so that's when it's pronounced nasa or nasa. So how interesting, the context in which both first appear, nasha in reference to Eve being deceived by the serpent, and nasa in reference to Cain's punishment after killing his brother Abel. The word in that case, it's translated there as bear, but it also means to lift up. So I'm going, lifting up to deceive? Maybe. Oh, don't be silly. You can trust us.
Fake you, fake them, fake us, faking it again. A lying dog.
In 2002, Blue Marble 2.0, NASA's Rob Simon made this. And it had wide appeal too. For example, it ended up as the default background on the iPhone.
I didn't even know until I bought an iPhone and turned it on and kind of did a little happy dance.
Simon's job is...
It's primarily taking data and making pictures out of it.
That's what this is, a composite of data sets from several different instruments translated into a picture.
To us, the really cool thing was the data set. Up until that point, there was no realistic color map of the globe anywhere.
So the land layer here comes from
the Moderate Resolution Imaging Spectroradiometer aboard Terra.
And the tricky part here was the weather.
So we actually had to take clouds out.
They stashed the clouds for later, went onto the ocean. That came from an instrument that measures phytoplankton in the sea.
Where it was low, I colored it dark blue because they're low mostly in mid-oceans. And then where it was a little bit higher, it was like a little bit brighter green.
Then add the clouds back in.
There's a small problem with it because there's a very slight gap in between each orbit.
So some of those are painted on.
It is photoshopped, but it's has to be.
Then
there was another layer to sort of simulate the atmosphere.
And then there's this little bright spot.
It's called the specular highlight. So it's the reflection of sunlight off of water.
Those are the pieces, but you can't just slap them all together.
It just didn't look realistic. It looks kind of flat, or the clouds are sort of too see-through. So I just hit Command-Z a lot.
There's artistry to creating the world.
What I imagine it to be. Unfortunately, I'm not an astronaut. I've never been to space. But I've looked at these images over and over again, trying to sort of get the essence of it. It is photoshopped, but it's has to be. It is photoshopped, but it's has to be.
Yeah, I'm in a cold, 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 I'm in a cold. I'm at the Grove, Bohemian, I drink the juice, the chocolate milk, the holy cow, I wear the sneaks, tip of the beat, I'm a 33.
If you don't like what we tell you to believe in, we'll kill you.
Charles Manson, ranch dressing, goat head, number 9, so divine, holy grail, shape of the snail with the Fibonacci sound of the conch. Third eye rainbow swastika in my pine cone like a dirt bike. Third eye rainbow swastika in my pine cone like a dirt bike. Ouija board. I got the caddy, I make the veggies, the limousine with peaches and cream. You make that dough, the simple show, euthanasia. Rich with the wild world, I make every girl flip a penguin. I ain't got the VIP cause I'm a 33. Don't forget the middle eight. 481. 7. A bunch of important numbers. 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 Yeah, I'm in a cult, 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 I'm in a cult. Hello.
Faking a shot of being halfway to the moon. And they refer to you on the tape as a shot that was done during Apollo 10, where you put a transparency over the window and moved the camera of the Earth and moved the camera back away from the window, turned off the lights in the spacecraft, and appeared to be halfway to the moon when in fact they were in Earth orbit.
Huh, really?
Yeah, and they said it was the same way that you did it on Apollo 10. So we wanted to give you the opportunity to put your left hand on the Bible, to raise your right hand, to swear to God.
Stick it in your ear.
Well, you were giving an opportunity to swear to God under oath that you walked on the moon.
I don't do that.
Well, if you really walked on the moon, what's the problem with swearing to God that you did? Do you believe in God?
You want me to knock you in the head?
Well, I want you to swear to God on the Bible that you walked on the moon. If you walked on the moon, we're giving the opportunity to swear to God that you walked on the moon.
I'm going to give you the opportunity to get the hell knocked out of you so you don't leave me alone.
If you don't like what we tell you to believe in, we'll kill you.